Hi, welcome to Scape Quay. I'm Chani, one of student ambassador at Scape, and let me take you on the property tour to get you familiarized with new home. Please make sure to grab your room key to enter. Let's come right in. So here is the reception area where you can meet the staff, look at stuff. And here is the study room, study area where you can study the final here or whenever you feel like stressful in the room, you can come down or be the more air. So this is a gym area where you can get fit and be healthy during your study. And let's keep going. So here's the garbage room where you can put your trash. Please make sure to read it if you don't know how to dispose of the trash. We have 4 different big bins for you to put in. Please make sure to put it in the right order. And this is the cinema room where you can connect your computer and watch movie with your friend, or you can play Xbox. And let's keep going to the barbecue area. Please make sure to use your room key to open the door. Here is the outside area where you can use barbecue to have some fun with your friend. This one you can press 10 seconds to turn it on. And please make sure to clean it after you use it. And keep going to the entertainment area. You can push the button here to enter the door. Here is a pool table where you can play with your friend whenever you feel stressed after studying. And also the footstool for you to use. And here is a PlayStation where you have Xbox and PS5. And here are the mailbox area where you can collect your mails. It has different room number on it. So make sure to collect the right one with the right key when you check in. And here's the area where you can borrow the vehicle. Please make sure to bring your identity card with you. It's also the same if you want to collect the delivery or parcel from the reception staff. So whenever you want to use the lift, please make sure don't forget your room card, tap in and press. And here's the laundry room. On this side, you can see the washing machine. And on this side is the dryer machine. So how you use this, just press any button, tap in your card and press start. And voila, your clothes will be clean. Now we'll go outside and show you some useful directions. Opposite on this road where you can access the light rail. On the right hand side, you can go to Central Station. And down the road, you will have many options for your grocery to buy food.